Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start studying computer science. First, grasp fundamental concepts such as algorithms and data structures. These are the building blocks of all computing. Next, select a beginner-friendly programming language like Python to write your first lines of code. Utilize the vast array of free online courses and tutorials available to kickstart your learning journey effectively. Consistency is key in these initial stages. Once you have the basics, focus on mastering one primary programming language. This deep dive will solidify your understanding. Simultaneously, learn about how computers actually work, including operating systems and computer architecture. Regularly engage in coding challenges to sharpen your problem-solving abilities. This hands-on practice is crucial for developing practical skills and building confidence in your coding prowess. As you progress, consider specializing in advanced topics that pique your interest, such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, or cybersecurity. Understanding database management and network protocols is also vital for many roles. To gain practical experience, contribute to open-source projects. This not only enhances your skills, but also builds a portfolio and connects you with other developers in the community, fostering growth. Computer science offers diverse career paths, from software development to data science and beyond. Explore these options to find your ideal fit. Networking with professionals and attending industry events can open doors to new opportunities and insights. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep easy, along with other great deals. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to a successful career in this dynamic field.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.